In today's video, I am going to teach you how to copy conditional formatting in Excel. First, you need to locate the formatting that you want to copy. Look at your worksheet and decide which cell contains the conditional formatting rule you want to reuse. In this example, select cell A2, or select the specific cell range that already has the formatting applied. Take a moment to confirm that the highlighting or formatting you see is the conditional formatting you actually want, because the rule that Excel copies will match what is attached to that source selection. If you are working from a range instead of a single cell, the formatting should still copy correctly, including the way the rule references those cells. Once the source cell or range is selected, move your attention to the top of the Excel window. You will see the ribbon, which is the horizontal toolbar with different tabs. Next, click the Home tab on the top ribbon menu. This is where most everyday formatting tools are grouped, including the one you need for copying styles and conditional formats. It is a good idea to pause here and make sure you are on the Home tab, because the button we need is not in every tab location. After you are on the Home tab, you can find the Format Painter button. Look to the clipboard group box on the ribbon. It may be on the left side of the Home tab area, near other quick copy and paste tools. Click the Format Painter button. When you click it, Excel prepares to copy the formatting from your selected source cell. If you notice the cursor changes to indicate a paintbrush, that is exactly what you want. It means you are ready to apply the formatting to another area. Now you are at the part where you actually copy the conditional formatting. Click and drag your mouse pointer over the target destination cells. Choose the cells where you want the conditional formatting rules to apply. As you drag across the destination area, focus on selecting the correct range. This matters because Excel will apply the formatting to everything inside the area you highlight. If the destination contains multiple rows or columns, drag to cover the full region you want included. You can take a steady approach and ensure your selection is correct before releasing the mouse. When you have covered all the destination cells, you can release your mouse. At that moment, Excel instantly copies the rule layout over to the new cells. You should see the formatting appear in the destination cells right away, based on the same conditional rule logic that existed in the source. If the colors or formatting do not look the way you expected, double-check the destination range selection, and also confirm that the source cell or range you selected earlier truly contained the conditional formatting you intended to copy. To wrap up, there is also a keyboard shortcut you may use as part of the general copying workflow. You can press Ctrl+C to copy the selected content to the clipboard. In the conditional formatting context, the Format Painter approach is the direct method for copying the formatting rules, but Ctrl+C is useful to remember for standard copy actions in Excel. If you are following along with this tutorial, the key process is selecting the formatted source, using the Format Painter from the clipboard group on the Home tab, and then dragging over the destination range that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.